Morning kids, today is Friday, April 24th. Today we're going to be taking our spelling or vocabulary quiz. So please take out your gray vocabulary notebook and write the date on top, Friday, April 24th, and the title, Unit 9 Vocabulary Quiz. You can also write your list number on top as you always do and number it from 1 to 14, please. I'm going to give you time to do that. Okay. Remember to be honest. You are the ones that are learning. Close all notebooks or books that can help you. Okay, number one. Number one is backpack. Number two, bite. Number three, coin. Number four, decide. Number five, have the chance. Number six, hear. Number 7, meet. Number 8, notice. Number 9, observatory. Number 10, point. Number 11, prefer. Number 12, run out. Number 13, sting. Number 14, worth. And as we always have an extra, the extra word number 15, I know I didn't tell you to number it, but we always have an extra, is going to be a sentence. Number 15. Okay, ready? Okay, the backpack is black and blue. That's it. Okay, after you complete it, please take a photo and upload it into Google Classroom and do your grammar quiz down here. Thank you.